TikTok is blowing up with a brand new AI trend, pulling in millions of views and sky-high engagement. But here's the kicker. There's almost no competition on YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels yet. That means right now is the perfect time to jump in. AI-generated animals serving food and drinks in bars and restaurants. It's weird, it's fun, and people can't get enough of it. We've already seen AI chefs, delivery drivers, and taxi services take off. This is the next viral wave. And if you start now, you have a real shot at blowing up fast. What you'll learn in this video, how to create these viral AI videos step by step using free tools. The easiest ways to monetize the trend and start earning from it. If you want to catch this trend before it's everywhere, stick around until the end. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you're excited about AI content and subscribe so you don't miss the latest trends. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Crafting AI prompts for images and animations. Before we generate our AI images, we need the perfect prompts. The right prompt can make all the difference, and I've already tested and optimized them for you. I've included ready-to-use prompts in the description. Just copy, paste, and generate stunning AI images instantly. Here's how they work. The AI image prompt describes the animal, outfit, environment, and lighting in detail. You can swap different animals to create unique variations. The AI animation prompt instructs the AI on camera movement, lighting effects, and smooth animation transitions. Everything is pre-structured so you can start creating without the guesswork. Step 2. Generating AI images and animations. Now let's bring our AI animal bartender to life using free AI tools. Generating AI images. Go to ChatGPT and paste the image prompt from the template. Click send, and in seconds you'll get an optimized AI prompt. Copy this prompt into Leonardo AI or another AI image tool. Choose Phoenix 1.0 style. Select a 9:16 aspect ratio, perfect for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Click Generate and download the best result, animating the AI image. Now that we have our AI-generated bartender image, it's time to animate it so it looks like it's moving. Kling AI is a powerful tool for turning still images into realistic animated characters with expressive movements. Go to Kling AI and create an account. At the homepage, click AI Video, then choose Image to Video, Frame. Click Upload Image and select your AI-generated bartender. Choose an animation preset, blinking, talking, nodding, hand gestures, etc. Or for the best result, just use the ChatGPT prompt you've made. Paste the prompt, adjust some setting, click Generate, and let Kling AI create the animation. Download the animated video suits for your video. Step 3. Upscaling and enhancing videos. Now let's sharpen and enhance our animated video for a professional look. Using CapCut's Video Upscaler. Visit CapCut, link in description. Upload your animated clip. Click Upscale for higher resolution and clarity. Download your improved video. This makes your content look high quality and ready for viral engagement. Step 5. Monetizing this viral trend. Now that your AI video is ready, let's turn it into a money-making machine. Ways creators are already earning: selling AI video templates and prompt bundles, offering pre-made AI animations for social media creators, monetizing YouTube Shorts with ads and sponsorships, selling AI-generated digital products and merch, maximizing earnings on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Use viral hashtags to get maximum reach. Apply for TikTok Creator Fund and Instagram bonus programs. Partner with brands to showcase AI-generated content. Monetizing YouTube Shorts. Once monetized, earn ad revenue from Shorts. Use affiliate marketing to promote AI tools. Offer exclusive AI video content as a paid service. Final thoughts. Get in before it's too late. This AI animal server trend is still brand new, which means now is the best time to start. Early adopters have the best chance to go viral. Use free AI tools in this step-by-step guide to start today. Monetize your content and turn views into real income. If you found this helpful, like this video to help more people discover this trend. Subscribe for more viral AI video strategies. Comment below. Are you trying this trend? Let me know. See you in the next video.